Okay, here it is. TB and TJ Railroad. 2 cars done. Coal car and the flat car. Just took it for a test. It was beautiful. Real nice. And believe it or not, it looks small. Coal car will sit 4 adults. Flat car will sit 4 adults or 8 little kids, whatever. It's smaller than the one Dad built, but it'll hold more people. Pretty awesome. And here's how they get in. Right there. Good. Right here. There's the smoke machine. That's going to make the smoke come out the chimney. Really nice. Headlight work. Engine number 701. Going to be taking her maiden voyage Easter Sunday 2017. Then we'll get back and we'll build the boxcar and the caboose. We'll have it completely done by July 4th. Yep, wish you were here, Dad. You look good sitting there. Engine in on the train with all the little loved ones riding behind you like we did back in '67. Sure do miss you, friends.